Welcome to a fragrant journey that will captivate your senses and unveil the wondrous world of lavender. In this enthralling YouTube video, we dive deep into the enchanting realm of this purple-hued herb, revealing its timeless allure and myriad of therapeutic benefits. Lavender is not merely a plant, it's a soothing symphony for the soul. Picture yourself amidst rolling lavender fields, where the air is infused with an irresistible aroma. Lavender has been cherished for centuries for its captivating fragrance, acting as a gateway to tranquility and relaxation. Its delicate blossoms, packed with essential oils, have been used in perfumes, candles, and countless wellness products. But its true magic lies in its ability to transport us to a state of calmness and serenity. Beyond its aromatic splendor, lavender holds a treasure trove of healing properties. Prepare to be amazed as we explore lavender's therapeutic effects on stress, anxiety, and sleep disorders. Discover the science behind its calming influence on the nervous system, and how it can bring solace to our fast-paced modern lives. Lavender's soothing touch has the power to lull us into a restful sleep, offering respite from the hectic world around us. But that's not all. Lavender has an extensive repertoire of practical uses. From revitalizing skincare routines to creating homemade natural remedies, its versatility knows no bounds. We'll delve into lavender-infused beauty products and explore its potential to alleviate skin conditions, soothe sunburns, and promote overall wellness. Get ready to unlock the secrets of lavender's botanical prowess. Prepare to be captivated by the enchanting allure of lavender in our forthcoming YouTube video. Embark on a sensory journey through fields of purple bliss and unlock the therapeutic potential of this aromatic wonder. From its aromatic splendor to its profound healing properties, lavender holds the key to a tranquil mind and a rejuvenated spirit. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of this timeless herb and prepare to be seduced by the delicate power of lavender. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of serenity and discover nature's secret to soothing the soul. The link for the lavender flower can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.